Capital One Shopping Rewards Explained. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's explore the rewards on Capital One Shopping. So after you open up the app, you can see on your home screen itself there are various personalized deals, and here you can just select any of the deal and avail it. In case if you want to look out for deals for different categories, then just simply open up the option of search at the bottom. And here you can find various categories. Just simply select any of the category where you are looking to purchase something. Suppose I want to purchase some electronics. I will just select the option of electronics over here. Now over here I can see various different coupons, and I can just select these coupons and purchase the products using these coupons. So let's see which coupon is best for us. Suppose I want to select this coupon of GoPro. So I will just click on it. Then it will show you some details about this particular coupon, and just activate it and click on shop. Then wait for it to load, and here it will be activated. This way you just have to shop as you normally do, and you would be earning the rewards for the purchases that you will make. Just simply click on this option of let's go and explore the products and purchase them. And this way you would be able to earn the rewards on that particular product using the coupon code that was provided on Capital One Shopping. And this is how the rewards on Capital One Shopping works. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.